Yo, what's good, boys? London session recap. We got a lot of back tests to do. Literally, one that's literally just hit was German 40. And I'll show you screenshots. Let me show you now. So, as you can see, I put in this screenshot at 12:59, um, where we literally just made this IFVG, and it hadn't tapped in yet. And then at 12:05. As you can see, it taps in and hits take profit. So, yeah, the target was AM session high, and it's been hit. See if there was any more. I don't think there was any more. So yeah, that's one on German 40. The main sort of confluence was a continuation. We took Asian high and we pushed straight through that, so we didn't get a re-entry from here to here. It didn't come to equilibrium. However, we had this 30-minute gap here, inversed it. We could have used that as support now, support to target this, and obviously you can probably find something higher, but like I said, if you're scrolling that much, you wouldn't want to. We've got back tests on NAS. Okay. Cool. Yeah, we've got a current backtest on NAS. So we took, I'll just check at the 15-minute. We took Asian's low. We then broke structure up here. We had this 15-minute bearish fair value gap that we wanted to see inversed. It inversed it, tapped in, stops below this low. Targets, this is a 4R final TP, so it's still running. It'll probably get either destroyed or hit TP in 18 minutes because there's red folder news. But like I said, you could target whatever you want. Like you could target that swing high, but ultimately you would just want to hold out for liquidity points, as in session highs and lows in the kill zones. So yeah, that's an active one we've got on now. Did GU have one? No, GU didn't. It was EU. EU was a big dub. So we took Asian high, but we also inversed this fair value gap. As you can see, London kill zone, we're breaking structure to the upside, breaking structure to the upside again. We inverse this bearish fair value gap, giving us confidence that we are going to be going higher. Probably for this, this is already taken, but you could probably target it again. Just target this bit, and you wouldn't really want to target all the way up here, but yeah. So another inverse fair value gap, where we inverse a bearish gap. We continue through Asian high. We get the entry on the gap here, stops below the low. As you can see, if you targeted lunch, 2R, if you targeted here, 2.13R, and it's currently running 3.17R. You could target higher time frame fair value gaps in here too, like here, as you can see, hit perfectly, retracing now, hit, just things like that. Market experience really. And then GJ, I do actually need to show you something on a different broker quick. So if I'm going to change it all to forex.com because it's the most reliable one. But as you can see, we take Asian low, we take lunch low, we take a AM low, and we take another. No, we didn't. We took a. Is that AM or is that PM? Yeah, we took another AM low. But on this chart, I said in the Discord, it just made equal lows, but it didn't. So we took these two, break structure to the upside, take another high in this whole thing. in this whole sort of range. It's probably an hourly range, yeah. This whole hourly range. We only have one 15-minute inverse gap. This one already got inversed, but it was out of kill zone time, so it's irrelevant. As you can see here, is there any higher time frame ones? Maybe that. Barely. 15 minutes, a bit more clear. We inverse it, next candle taps in. Stops can just be here, above here, because you wouldn't really want it all the way down here. It wouldn't be worth taking the trade. You could probably put it here, but I literally just chucked it there. And yeah, same entry, just the reversal pattern. As we took all these, and now we're reaching for these. As you can see, Asian high would be 1.6R, AM high 1.83, London high 3.57, AM high 3.84, London high 4.35, and Asian high 5.23 R. Reaching for these maybe at news. But yeah, I thought I'd do a London recap on all the back tests and forward tests I've got on and did. Obviously, the last day of the week, news is coming out in 15 minutes. I will not be trading. I will be revising. I'll be going over ICT. Yeah, just enjoying it really. Like this week, I've made a lot of progress. And yeah, let's keep up this good momentum. We've learned this week SMT and IFEGs, so that's perfect because a lot of the back tests and the trades I'm taking on FX Replay are inverse FEGs. I can actually show you that quick as well. Literally just did 2 last night just because I fancied it after all day doing it on markets. This one, I think. Ignore the risk. I risked 0.5%. But yeah, we inverse this gap. We take out. Oh, I think I deleted it now. But no, it was because it was out of kill zone hours, I believe. 7. Yeah, so this was Asian session high. This is out of kill zone hours. We don't really care. Price in kill zone hours comes back up to this Asian high. Probably takes out some other kill zone highs as well. But obviously I don't have the same indicator on there. We've got a 15-minute bearish gap. Bullish gap, sorry. We could probably refine that down to here now as it hasn't filled this bit yet. But literally the same entry for both. Right there. We inverse it right there, 15-minute. We come in. It was actually there. I got entered. I put a limit order on. Come in, target, Asian session low, simples, and then literally the trade before that as well. Like I said, ignore the risk on this one. I just thought it funny, innit? You can't even see. This one was break even, and this one. I still have the markings on the chart. Oh, surely. Let me see if I can find them. Let me go on WhatsApp quick. Okay, yeah, so it was this 15-minute gap. Was it a 15-minute gap? Or was it? Yeah, it was. It just didn't get tapped till then. Yeah, cool. So we inverse this gap. On my screenshot, we took out London. No, this was a PM session trade, wasn't it? Yeah, I think we took out, let's just have a look, from 10 till 7. It must have been this then. Yeah, we took out New York AM session low. Where's our kill zone? Start trading back around here. So it must not have been AM. I got it wrong. Okay, this is not AM, this is PM. I mean to put this as PM. PM session we take out, I believe it was also lunch. Lunch, but New York. Lunch is 4 to 5. Okay, yes, it was AM sessions low. We're trading back at 5. Yeah, here. So we take out New York AM sessions low. You can't even see. We got this 15-minute fair value gap from this sort of range. It's probably a higher time frame range again. We inverse it right there. We put a limit order there, and we targeted. Let me try and say. I think it was London high. Yeah, London's high. Right there. So yeah, literally the last two have been perfect. USD, I don't know if I showed you, but I passed this account literally just using session opens and close liquidity. Obviously, if I knew about inverse, I'd probably pass it a bit sooner because we was getting a lot of break evens on that. But yeah, I mean, that was a London session recap. I'm kind of waffling now, to be honest. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the week in the life that will come out tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.